Ahlan. My name is Mechaal, and I will be your online instructor for as long as you will be watching my videos. Enjoy this session. Okay, let's get started with some basic information which will make the foundation of your Arabic language learning journey. Arabic contains 28 letters, including consonants and long vowels, and 14 symbols that function as short vowels sometimes and as pronunciation markers some other times that help us to pronounce words. The Arabic writing system has 5 major characteristics that distinguish it from some of its European counterparts. Number 1. Arabic is written from right to left. Number 2. Arabic is a phonetic language, meaning that you write it as you hear it, just like Spanish, and of course not like English or French, where you find many letters that are pronounced differently depending on their position in a word. Number 3. Letters are always connected in both print and script texts. Look at my name, Mechaal. Letters slightly change their shape depending on where they occur in a word. Arabic has 2 types of writing. One with just letters, consonants and long vowels, and another type where we add short vowels and grammatical or pronunciation markers. And this is the type that we need to adopt in the beginning because it makes it easier for us to pronounce words. Now, let's meet the Arabic alphabet. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, ذا را زا سا شا صا ضا طا ظا ع غ فا قا كا لا ما na, ha, wa, ya. And as you may have noticed, you can relate to many of the sounds that exist in Arabic. However, there are some sounds, and here they are highlighted in a different color, and these letters are unique to Arabic. So it means that we need to have extra practice to be able to train our vocal cords to pronounce these letters. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we also have 14 short vowels and pronunciation markers. The good news is we will not need all of them to get started. And you will see later that we will not need some of them at all to speak and write in Arabic. So the most important ones for the time being are these 3 short vowels: Kasra, Damma, and Fatha. Kasra always appears below the letter, and if you see it, you need to assign the sound E to that letter. Damma is pronounced as U, and it always appears above the letter. And finally, Fatha. Fatha again always appears on top or above a letter. And it's pronounced as A. So the most important ones for the time being are these 3 short vowels: Kasra, Damma, and Fatha. The last thing that I want to talk about in this video is the shapes of letters that change depending on their position in a word. The following chart gives you an idea of the extent of this variation. You will see that each letter retains a basic shape throughout, which is the core of the letter. If the letter has a dot, The number and position also remains the same. Note that the same three letters, which all connect, appear to have a tail in their independent and final forms that drops off when they are connected and is replaced by a connecting segment that rests on the line. So what you need to do is to look for the core shape of each letter, its dots, if any, the connecting segment, and the final tail in the following chart. As you learn each letter of the alphabet, you will be surprised how quickly you master them in a little practice. I am sure that this video will be very helpful for new Arabic learners. If you believe it was helpful for you, please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your circle. And if you would like to receive my videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and bislama.